Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razek at CMTrading. Today is November 20th, 2018, and today is Tuesday morning. Now, looking at the economic events of the day, just one major event coming out. It's an inflationary report coming out of United Kingdom at 12 o'clock South African time and 10 o'clock London time. So you just want to be aware that it is coming out if you do have any positions in the GBP. But just taking a recap on what's been going on in the markets, it's a mixed bag versus the dollar. Okay, we're looking at the euro, it's rallying against the dollar, and the Aussie is retracing against the dollar. So the question is, are we going to play catch up? We'll take a look at that. Now, the indices, the Dow falters yesterday and back on support due to sell off in Amazon and Apple. Okay, quite a sharp sell off, including Facebook. Also, we'll take a look at that. The really important moves there. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is below 5,000. Really important level for Bitcoin. We'll take a look at that as well. And, we just mentioned that the stocks brought down the Dow Jones, Facebook, Amazon, Apple brought down the markets. Okay. It's really called the FANG stocks, okay, which stands for Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. Now, these were the basket of stocks that really it was the impetus of, moving the market higher, and now they're all breaking lower. Okay, so we're going to take a look at that and what we could expect from today's trading. So we're taking a look here at the Euro USD, and as you can see, we're at the top of the range, 114.50-ish level right here. Previous resistance, okay, subsequent support, as we've mentioned this earlier before. So we're getting into a certain threshold here, okay, so we may falter here and may make a correction on the downside. But one thing is for sure, we do have a bona fide uptrend right here, at least for now. Okay, so just keep an eye on that for today if it does sustain this level and breaks out higher. I don't think it will. Okay, I think we'll make a correctional move today, but just keep this on the radar. Now, if you jump to the Aussie dollar, okay, you could see we sold off just a little bit. Now, this could be just, traders taking some profits, okay, so on and so forth. But I did say that we will be trading in a certain range, okay? So looking at this upper range of 72, 73-ish level, okay, and the bottom range of 72, 120-ish level. And I do believe that we will still see that as we continue to trade that later today. Now we're looking at the USD Swiss franc, a big nosedive, okay, a correctional move right there. And you have to see if it does continue breaking down, we could definitely see it back in the 98-ish level. Now the dollar should be getting stronger because the Dow Jones is selling off. So, a little bit of a mixed bag here, some misdirection as to which way we'll be going, but keep this on your radar. Now USDZAR, we mentioned this yesterday, didn't break out further down, okay, it didn't get stronger here, so we may see a bounce, okay, if it doesn't break further down. Now jumping into the Dow Jones, and this is really the play of the day yesterday, we plummeted over 400 points. Now, just as a backdrop, last week we sold off from 26,118 down to about 25,900-ish level. We bounced, okay, about 400 points to 25,300-ish level. Okay, as you can see here at the high of 25,476. And then, we faltered again, okay, for this Monday. All right, so the question is that where we're going to go? Now, going into this week, Thursday is Thanksgiving in the United States. The market is open on Friday for half a day. Generally, we rally. So just keep in mind that between Thanksgiving and December, I'm a little bit biased about this because I've seen this once, not twice, not three times. We generally rally, okay, between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Okay, so let's say if we do get that and it does solidify around this 24,950-ish level, okay, and bounces and continues to rally into the end of the year. Now, if we look at the bellwether stocks, the bricks and mortar stocks like P&G, like Philip Morris, like some of the oil companies, some of the banks, they're all strong, okay? The ones that are selling off are these FANG stocks, okay, which are bringing down the markets further. Now, we mentioned this yesterday that, Facebook off the get-go yesterday was really weak. Let's take a look at that, okay? In a 30-minute chart, you could see that we gapped down and we went down further, okay? We sold off down to 130 per stock, and it's quite sharply down for the year. Now, I expect some sort of a bounce at some point, okay? We're at this, I just don't like to pick bottoms, okay? And as you can see at Fibonacci's, we've breached this 134 level, so really the next support level is 109, Okay, this still has room to get back to the $80. Now, only 6 years ago, it was trading at $17, $16 a share. Okay, especially if regulation is going to be hit at this company, we could see tremendous corrections. Now, looking at Amazon as well, and this is what we mentioned earlier, back on its lows of $1,500. Now, this is a tremendous retracement from our 2021-ish level, okay, that we hit back at the end of October, and now you see this massive sell-off. Now, again, we're close to support. I expect some sort of a bounce, especially as we go into the Thanksgiving, holiday, and you know, personal investors are sitting home and some money on the sidelines. They say, hey, this is really a great price. Last year, I would have loved to buy it at 1,500, and they may come in and rally the market. So keep that in mind. Now, lastly, looking at Bitcoin, this is really the play of the day. We breached this 6,000 level. Okay, once we breached that 6,000 retracement level, as you can see here in the Fibonacci, we continued selling off, and now selling off to $4,400 a Bitcoin. Now that's an amazing retracement. Only a year ago, we were trading at 14,000. Okay, so this thing has a tremendous correction on the downside. Now we have still a lot more down room, okay, for this to correct. Okay, no one's going to call the bottom of this. Certainly not I. So just keep an eye on this, okay? I don't like to play catch up, especially because it's such a volatile symbol to trade. So keep that on your radar. This is Fred Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.